Oh, good morning, YouTube, and my 227 subscribers. This is William from Williams, Philippines. Boy, I'm definitely ready to get over there. It is about 4:10 in the a.m. on Tuesday morning, December 10th, 2024. I hope everybody's having a great day, that it's being easy on you, and you got to eat a good meal already, or we'll get to eat a bunch of good meals today. Got a piece of beef laying at the house. I ain't gonna say it's a good steak, but it's a chunk of beef. I'm ready to go home and eat. I'm getting hungry. Life happens. If you continue to survive, you burn energy. If you burn energy, you want to replace energy. You want to replace energy by eating food. It's a good thing to do. It's been a bit of a stressful day today, having to deal with a couple of things, and it's work related, and I'm not going to beat you over the head with it. Just say having to deal with folks that ain't doing right. I don't even know where to begin at that, so I'm not going to go there. I did manage to try to run a couple of scans on my computer, and one of them found something, and I got it took off. And I ran another one on there, and it didn't find anything. And then I ran the other one again, and it didn't find anything else. So I'm thinking we might have found the problem and got rid of it. Now I'm questioning, was it on there before I did my update? I'm not sure. May or may not have a backup that I can use to reload stuff. It's kind of worrisome. I mean, it's only a terabyte hard drive, but yeah, and that's not counting this one. So that's on my little desktop. The Gemtech or Geotech, something like that. GTech. Yeah, and it's not even that much data on it, but I had a bunch of pictures and videos and stuff that I had saved and was planning on using when I got around to it. We'll see. Anyway, yeah. I get to run some on the other one when I get home and try to make sure it's in good shape. So, yeah. So I'll be doing a couple of virus scans and internet checks and getting things set back up on it today when I get home. I went by and did the checked on my getting new glass for my windshield on the front of my car. One place is, says, yeah, we got it, can do it. And the other one says, we'll charge you less, but we got to charge you for shipping to bring it here. We don't have it. Mm-hmm. Yeah. And it's about a $30 difference. But they want money up front to order it and get it here, and yeah. why don't they have it here already? I mean, seriously, it's not like it's that unusual of a car. It is what it is. I don't know. 300 and something to get it done. I'm gonna look to see. They've got one Safelite. I'm gonna see if I can find a coupon or a discount code. See if I can save some money that way and get it to where it's cheaper going with them. I haven't found any yet. I haven't had time to look. I barely got time to get over there and get that. Got home. I was going to do something, and the phone rang again, reminding me that, oh yeah, I need to go to the pharmacy and pick up meds. Because I have like one pill left in my pill bottle, so yeah. Now I have enough to do my whole 2 weeks of setting up and having my medications for... it's just once a day. I take a handful. Well, not really a handful, but 5. So, yeah. And one of those is an aspirin. So, yeah. Well, I take some, what do you call it? The omega-3s on top of that. So, there's more pills, but, yeah. Only 4 of them are really medicine. Blood pressure. That's the problem of having to go out and deal with problems. Blood pressure. That's why I like being peaceful, having a quiet day. But hey, some days you just don't get what you want. So you deal with it, get up and go and continue on. Laugh about it. Because, what? You're going to cry about it? Ain't going to do any good. Who's going to laugh? Somebody going to laugh at you while you're crying. So, yeah. Because we're all soft and cuddly like that. Anyway, yeah, I'm going to try to get home and get a few things taken care of. Got a couple things that should be showing up in the mail today. So, yay. Still don't have a day on when my Mac's going to get here, my Mac Mini. I think they're still building it. The factory in China or wherever it is still assembling. Apparently they sold a bunch of those things on Black Friday and over the weeks, yet in Cyber Monday. So, yeah, they got busy. It is what it is. But, yeah, I'm glad I got one. I want to start trying to do something with it, though, and until it gets here, I can't do anything with it, which is irritating. Could be worse. Anyway, yeah, I'll be glad when it gets here. Been looking at a few videos, trying to learn some things about setting it up. And, there's lots of them for setting up Windows 11 or Windows 10. Turn this off to stop that, turn this off to enable this, and turn that one off to cut that out, and things like that. And it's kind of like I don't know about you, but one of the first things I do is I download either Chrome or Firefox or Brave. I do not use the Edge browser for Microsoft past that. Thank you. I have better things to do with my life than use Edge, or whatever they want to call it. Microsoft web browser. Problem is, you try it and take it out and get rid of it, and it messes everything else up because they're that way. Everything has to depend on the settings and information going through the thing. So if you get rid of it, or at least, I don't know, maybe the Edge isn't like it used to be with Internet Explorer. But if you took out Internet Explorer, you pretty much just crippled your internet, because everything was a setting in there, and when you took it out, you no longer had the settings, and yeah. And people wonder why I don't like Microsoft, Windows, and Internet Explorer. And I don't trust Edge either, so it's not that I've ever really had to use it much, but what little I've used it, I didn't like. And the way it pops up and tries to take control of stuff on stuff, you really have to go in there and, tell it can't. And I even get it to where it's off the taskbar and off the start menu, and I have to leave it in there. I can't just go in and install it, although I'd really like to. But again, crippling. So it is what it is. But yeah, get those on there and get them going. And yeah, I prefer to have, now, I'm not much on Google either, so Chrome's kind of irritating, but I'm starting to get used to it. And I guess I tolerate Google more than I do Microsoft and Edge. It is what it is. Anyway, thanks for the comments, Dan. And like I say, everybody please like, subscribe, and comment. I usually try to get back to them. Was a little slow today. Had other things going on. And by the time I got done with checking prices on windshield for my car and getting back to the house, and then getting over to the pharmacy and getting back to the house, and swinging by and picking up some food, because, well, it was already, basically noon. So yeah, by the time I got through eating, it was already 1:30, and yeah, time to go to sleep. Because, hey, I need my sleep. I really do envy children. They argue about taking a nap. I wish I had taken more. And I wish I could take more naps now. Naps are good. Problem is I get up, first thing when I wake up, I want another cup of coffee. And if you take a nap and then you plan on going back to sleep sometime soon, and you drink coffee, yeah, it don't work real good for me. I have a problem there. I love coffee. Coffee doesn't love sleeping. Yeah, it is what it is. Anyway, I don't know about y'all, but I got to get to going and doing a few more things, and I want to get this uploaded, so I have to let go of this and go do. So, this is William from Williams Philippines. Like I said, please like, comment, and subscribe. I'd appreciate it. And have a blessed week, easy week at the Evil W. And may you find Evil W if you don't have Evil W. Because it's not easy. Man don't work, don't eat. Yeah, the world ain't easy that way. But it is what it is. Anyway, I'm Fish, and hey, Fish is out.